Hi guys, what's up? Hey girl, hey. If you're new here, welcome to Boss Vision. This is where I share everything you need to know about making candles. So if you're interested in that sort of content, please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Hey girl, please join our candle making boss fam. I will be reviewing 4 different types of wicks in 4 different levels with hive and honey. I currently use the 14-ounce aura jars from Macy, which you can now purchase from hiveandhoneycandleco.com, and she has a more cost-effective rate there. Just wanted to make sure everyone knew that option was readily available. But today's video is all about wick testing. I am transitioning from crackling wooden wicks to cotton wicks for the summer. Don't ask me why. Yes, summer, fireplace, crackling, you know, making s'mores and stuff, but I just want cotton wicks. And I thought, why not give you guys insight into what wicks work best rather than you just go out there blind. So I will be using coconut apricot cream in a jar that is 3.4 inches in diameter. So definitely stay tuned for the video. Like I said before, subscribe. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Share it on Facebook. Share it everywhere you possibly could think of. And yeah, let's just jump right in. Okay, as you can see here, I have 4 different jars from Macy. As you can see, they are these beautiful luxury aura jars, and they have about a 3.4 inch diameter. I don't really need sanitizer jars because I'm not going to be adhering stickers. So all I'm going to be doing right now is putting in my first set using these chip clips. So I have the HTP wicks here. It starts with the 41s, but it's a full series in this bag. Next, I have the CDN wicks here. Here are all of the Premier wicks and the LX series. I'll start with the LX series. I'm going to try the LX 20s. This is such a cleaner, faster, and less stressful hack if you want to do wig testing. So you just cut your wicks and you don't glue them down. Just center them with these chip clips, and then if the wick is not right, you can simply pull it out and drop a new one in the same jar. So there's no need to re-pour or waste materials, guys. Next, we'll be doing the Premier wicks. There are so many wicks in here, from $700 all the way to $7.99. Wow. We're actually gonna do Premier 750. For our third test, we're gonna be using the HTP 104s. A pro tip would be to document everything and use a wig testing chart. If you need a foundation and don't know where to start, I recommend using my ultimate wig testing guide. I'm going to do the CDN 12s. Wig testing can be so fun if you just decide to separate from the frustration and really own the outcomes. I definitely recommend that you take your time, understand that this is a process, and have fun with it. You know, certain wicks work with certain fragrances, certain wicks work with certain diameters, so it's a great opportunity for you to understand more about the concept here. So I definitely recommend checking out the wig testing guide. Hey, my name's Talisha, and I teach entrepreneurs everything you need to know about making candles. If you're interested in that sort of content, then make sure you subscribe and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on anything I post. Also, if you need one-on-one coaching, you can sign up here for us to go through your specific business together and how I can help take it to the next level. Or if you just want some quick recipes, sign up for patreon.com/bossvision and gain access to all the wax and fragrance secrets. If you need self-guided learning, then I definitely recommend you grab an ebook here or the entire bundle, girl. Just make sure you're set up for success. I also have my own candle business, and I have recently launched a faith-based candle collection at senseofvision.com. His word brings life. You can use the code YouTube for 20% off. On that side is danger. No. I'm leaning over here. I like that. This is a good one. Full mouthful, but this right here is good. I love double wicking though. Okay, at this point I wanted to get some content for Instagram, so I went ahead and grabbed out my phone. But guys, this was such a fun exercise. As you can see, the CDNs are doing the sitting thing, which we don't want because people will get, you know, that liability on you, like, oh, fire. So definitely don't recommend that one. But yeah, LX20, guys. I really enjoyed doing this process. Honestly, guys, you can simply pull these out and try again if your wicks didn't work on the first try. But stay tuned for more tutorials like this and subscribe. Okay, bye.